Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here. In the video I have for you today, I'm going to share with you how you can save a little bit of money on PayPal by using it to create your shipping labels. PayPal has a discounted rate. This is something that I did not know until recently that you could do. The only time I've ever had success with doing this was after I had sold something on PayPal. This is going to be focused on the United States Postal Service, but it may apply to other services, but I have not played with it. So in order to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is bring up the United States Postal Service's website, and we're going to do a few pretend packages just so we can compare the price difference. So on the United States Postal Service, I'm going to put in a few fake things. So I'm going to start off with 01852, which is the zip code in Lowell, Massachusetts. And then I'm going to do Beverly Hills 90210. And then I'm going to do this as a calculated price based on shape and size, because what I want to do is the first class mail package, because that's something very common. I'm going to call it 0 pounds, and let's call it 12 ounces, and then we'll call it a package due to the thickness. So when we scroll down, we're going to see the price of a first class mail package. You can see the retail price is $5.75, and you can't even purchase the label online through the click and ship service. So even being able to just do it online on PayPal is an advantage all in itself. But let's just remember $5.75, and now let's go right over to the PayPal and we'll see how much that is going to cost. So the first thing I'm going to do is just bring up Google here, and then we're going to get over to PayPal. I have already logged into it, but I recommend that you log in as well. What we're going to do is use a very specific link, which I'm going to share with you right now, and I recommend that you bookmark, which I have done here. So this link is going to bring you directly to the label maker. I cannot find this link anywhere else, and this is something that someone shared with me. So as you can see, the link is paypal.com/shiplabel/create/. So with that link, with you logged into PayPal, you can start to get to work. So let's do a fake name. Let's do John Doe. We're going to do a post office in Beverly Hills, so 325 North Maple, I believe Street or Drive. I think it may have been Drive. And then we're going to do Beverly Hills. We're going to do California. Then we're going to do 90210, and then we're going to ship to this address. So I'm going to now change this to first class mail. And then we're going to put the weight as 12 ounces, and then we're going to calculate the cost. And as you can see, we have it as a large package by default. So now you can see the total cost is going to be $4.46, so that postage is much cheaper than the cost of the United States Postal website, and you can print it online, which is really cool. But let's just take another look at the postal website. So we got $4.46 on PayPal. And then when we go over to the USPS website, as you can see, we're going to have a different price, which is going to be $5.75. So that is a pretty good savings. So the next thing I'd like to do is let's take a look at some of the flat rate stuff. So you can see that a large flat rate is going to be $21.10, a medium flat rate is going to be $15.05, and a small flat rate is going to be $8.30. So let's take a look at the medium flat rate box rate on PayPal. So I'm going to now navigate on back over to PayPal, but let me first just get back to the main screen so I can have that brought up for you already. So now we're going to move on over to the PayPal screen so we can both take a look. So now that we are on the PayPal screen, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do John Doe, 325 North Maple Drive, Beverly Hills. Then we're going to go to California, 90210. Now we're going to go to this address. So now we're going to keep it on priority mail, medium flat rate, and then we're going to hit calculate shipping cost. So as this processes, I'm anticipating it's going to be much better. So look at the cost now. It's going to be $13.20. when I bring up the USPS website, you're going to see that it's going to be a different price, which is going to be medium flat rate box, $15.05. So $15.05 compared to the PayPal price of $13.20, that is a pretty powerful savings if you ask me for something that is just so simple. One thing that I really love about this tool is the fact that you are able to ship certain things online which you were not able to do on the USPS website. As you remember, when we looked at the first class package, click and ship was not available, yet you can do it on the PayPal website. So this is something very cool that you can do that can save you a little bit of money. This works on the international as well, and I find it to be very convenient to be able to have an international label posted online, and especially if you can save a little bit of money. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. I know that in Locksport we send out so many packages, and if we could save $1 or so every package, it would really start to add up. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out. I hope you all have a great day, and I really hope this is helpful to someone out there.